Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So in this video tutorial we will work to display the score in the game over activity. So whenever the user lost these 3 lives, or you can say the fish lost these 3 lives, then we will display the total score on our game over activity. So let's do that. So go to the Android Studio for that, and here we have this FlyingFishView class. Click on that, and here come down here, and here when we say that is if live counter of fish equals to 0, and then we send the user to the game over activity. You can see that. Then after this intent.flag clear task, here we can say after this game over intent.add flags, here we can say game over intent dot put extra, and let's give it a name score, score, put a comma, and the score is stored inside the score variable, so we can say score, and make sure to put a semicolon here. And now the next thing is to go to the activity gameover.xml file. As you can see that this is our activity game over. Okay, now what we're gonna need here is a text view. So drag and drop a text view from here. Here it is. Drag and drop this text view here, and the width should be match parent for it. Now click on this view all attributes, and here let's write text, and click on this view fewer attributes, and let's change the text size to 22, so you can see that. And now make it bold and at the center, and change this to score. So this will be our score, that how much a user gets score after when a fish lost all of his 3 lives, or you can say life. So yeah, and let's change the text color to click here on this project, and here you can see this color accent. Select this one and click OK, and you can see that. And let's change this score size to 25 sp. 25 is good. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And now the next thing is to give it some ID. So the ID for this will be, let's call it as display score, score. Display score is the ID for this. Now go to the game over activity, and here let's initialize that. So we can say private text view, and let's call this as score, score, as it is our text field. So let's give it a proper name, display score. And yeah, now inside here we can say display score equals to text view, find view by ID, or dot ID dot, and the ID was display score, so we can say display score. Now everything is okay. Now next thing is to receive the score. So what this means, when we wrote this at the start, this basically means that it will send the score to the game over activity, as we are sending the user to the game over activity when the life counter of fish becomes equals to 0. So it will send the score to the game over activity. Now we have to receive this score here is inside this game over activity. So for that we will create a string type variable first. So we can say string, and let's call this as score, score. And now here inside the onCreate method we can say score equals to get intent dot get extras dot get and here we need to give it the same name which we wrote here, okay, SCORE. So copy this from here and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. And now we can say dot to string. So now here we can say display score dot set text to score. We can write some text also, so put a plus sign which means concatenation, and inside this double quotation we can say score equals to, and then we will display the score. So yeah, now let's run the app. So our app is running now successfully, and now let's check it. So the first life destroy, and now let's destroy the second health, and then the third one life, and then we will see and check here. The score is 30, game over, and you can see now score equals to 30. So in this way we have successfully display the total score get by a user when the game over. So yeah, that's it for this video, and if anyone is new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel Coding Cafe.